Good morning, dear students. I am teaching you science, all of you know that, and we have completed PA2 examination, and now we will start with remaining chapters. So, in the syllabus, in the remaining chapters, chapter 4, 7, 9 and 12. These chapters are there for the annual examination. These chapters will come in annual examination and PA2 chapters will also come in the annual examination. So already we have completed PA2 syllabus and now we will start with annual. So in the class, all of you know that if you attend the class, you attended that I have completed chapter 4. I have completed chapter 4. Plants grow from seeds. These chapters I have completed in the class, and I have given half question and answers I have given in the class. But through the PDF I will send you again, and you have to write in your GSC copy. Understood? Chapter 4 I will send you through the PDF and you will write in your GSC copy. Now I will start with lesson 7. I will start with lesson 7, and name of the lesson 7 is the food for animals. Food for animals. These are the chapter. These are the lesson which we will study in this annual examination. So let's start with food for animals. So first you will read. First you will read, then you will start. I am reading food for animals. All animals need food. You know that food is our basic need. If we will not eat food, then we can't live, we can't survive, we can't grow. So food is our basic need, and without it they cannot live. They eat different kinds of food. All the animals, according to their habits, they are eating food. So all animals eating different kinds of food, not the same kind. Some are herbivorous, some are carnivorous, some are omnivorous. I will explain it next. But you know that food is our basic need, and without food we can't live, we can't grow. So whether it is animals, whether it is plants, whether it is human beings, all the living things, for all the living things, food is necessary. So let's explain with herbivorous. Let's explain with herbivorous. Herbivorous animals. According to their eating habits, which kind of food they are taking, which kind of food they are taking, according to that it is categorized. So I think all of you understood till here. Food is our basic need. Without food we can't grow, we can't survive. Whether it is plants, whether it is animals, whether it is human beings, we can't survive. So this is our basic need. So some animals eat grass, leaves, shoots, roots, grains and fruits of plants. Some animals eat grass, leaves, shoots, roots, grains and fruits of the plants. So animals those who are eating grass, leaves, twig, shoots, roots, they are called herbivorous. Herbivorous. Herbivorous means animals, those who are eating this kind of food, means in Hindi we are telling shakahari. In Hindi we are telling shakahari janwar. So animals, those who are eating leaves, grass, twigs, shoots, grains, they are called the herbivorous animals. They are called the herbivorous animals. Example, a sheep eating grass, goat eating leaves, rabbit eating carrot, and elephant eating sugarcane, monkey eating banana, pigeon eating grains. So these are the animals. These are the animals. They eat different kinds of food. Example, herbivorous animals. Those who eat herbivorous, I will write the definition. Here you can see that herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals. Those who are eating, those who eats plants and plant products. Plant and plant products. Animals, these are the herbivorous animals. Those who are eating plants and plant products, they are called the herbivorous animals. Animals, according to their eating habits, they are categorized into 3 categories. First category is the herbivorous. Herbivorous, shakahari janwar. So animals, those who eat plants and plants products are called the herbivorous animals. Examples, I will tell you examples. Example, you can see that sheep, goat, rabbit, sheep, goat, rabbit, elephant, monkey, pigeon. These are the animals which are herbivorous. Sheep eating grass, goat eating leaves, rabbit eating carrot, elephant eating sugarcane, monkey eating a banana, and pigeon eating grains. So these are the animals which comes under the herbivorous animals. These comes under the herbivorous animals. I think all of you understood till here. So first you will read chapter 7, food for animals. First you will read this chapter. Then I will I will tell you. No need of writing definition in the copy, only you will read. So all animals need food. It is their basic need. Without it they cannot live. They eat different kinds of foods. Some animals eat grass, leaves, shoots, roots, grains and fruits of plants. So these are the herbivorous animals. Those who are eating, those who are eating plants and plants products are called the herbivorous. So what is the shoots? Soft green branches of plants. What are the shoots? I will tell you shoots. Shoots, because some animals eat grass, leaves. Some animals eat grass, leaves, shoots, grains, fruits. Some animals eat grass, leaves, shoots, grains and fruits. So what is the shoots? What is the shoots? Soft green branches of plants. Soft green branches. Soft green branches of plants. Soft green branches of plants are called the shoots. Then grains. The seeds of rice, grains. The seeds of rice, wheat, maize, and other cereals. The seeds of rice, wheat, maize and other cereals. These are the grains. It can be rice, it can be wheat, it can be maize. These are the grains. Understood? So in this two new words, that is the shoots. Shoot means soft green branches of plants, that is called the shoots. Grains, the seeds of rice, wheat, maize and other cereals. Seeds of rice, wheat, maize and other cereals. These are the grains. So I think all of you understood till here. Some animals eat grass, leaves, shoots, grains and fruits. So they are called the herbivorous animals. Examples I told you. So all of you take revision till here. You will read and you will learn about the term herbivorous. So you will learn the definition of herbivorous. This is your homework. Learn the definition of herbivorous. Learn about herbivorous. Learn about herbivorous animals. Learn about herbivorous animals. Examples also you will learn. So all of you take revision till here herbivorous. And in next topic I will explain about the carnivorous animals. So today I explain about herbivorous animal. So all of you take revision till here from the chapter 7, food for animals. Understood all of you? Today's homework, learn about herbivorous animals and examples also you will learn. So So this is all about the herbivorous.